Hello, brethren, my conscious soldiers. I salute everybody. Today, we're just talking consciousness. We're streaming consciousness to all people, all humans, right? Let's talk about something serious. What's happening these days in the social media space? Influencers, a lot of them are getting arrested. Some people are mistaking it for it to be a violation of the freedom of expression and the freedom of press. Yes, but somehow some of those people did cross the lines. Not everybody. Some people did cross the line. Some people got arrested and they crossed the line. But I want us to know something. Whoever that's arrested, please, whether you be Hausa, Igbo or Yoruba, it's okay to stand firm with them in solidarity. But please do not fail to let them know where they've gone wrong. Because not everybody got it right. A lot of people got arrested these few days being online influencers, but they didn't all get it right. Some of them are cases of intimidation, yes, but in a few of those cases, people did step out of line. So whenever you stand with someone, always also let them know where they went wrong. Very important. That way you can correct them, and that way we can have a better society. That way we can have a more civil environment. Because if the environment gets too toxic, it's not good for everybody. So the better the environment, the better for the community, the better for the people. Very important, all right? If someone goes wrong, let them know the truth. Do not sugarcoat anything. When someone is wrong, they are wrong. We have to be soldiers for the people. We have to be soldiers for our communities. If you stand with me, if I'm wrong, do stand with me, but still let me know that I'm wrong and how I'm wrong. A lot of these people think it's not about ranting. Some of them make excuses about, this and that. Yes, excuses go there, but the most important thing is say, make us stay strong, stay strong, stay strong. Do not get intimidated by anybody. So please, very important, before you engage in any discussion online, be very careful. Because sometimes you could get in trouble without knowing it. Know how to toe the lines. Know where the lines not to cross. A lot of red lines are out there. So if you do well, if you're smart, you know how to pass your messages without infringing on people's rights, okay? And the fact that you're expressing yourself is not the only right online. The fact that you must express yourself, yes, you have the right to express yourself, but you don't have the right to impugn on others without proper evidence. Do not. They will not have Shimekwono, all right? And again, Uronyo Menala, Uronyo Christian, it doesn't matter. Onyo Menala could be arrested just by intimidating them. It doesn't mean anything. Even if you're a Christian, stand up for that Omenala person, because of intimidation. If you're Omenala, Christian, because of intimidation, stand up for that person. We're all one civil society. We're all one people. Do not be proportional to this war about Omenala or Christianity. Don't start any religious war in this Igbo land. Let's enjoy ourselves. Just because Facebook has some people over, are we the only tribe waiting for this life, for this world, or this app? Because make on take amazing. Because now all of us, let's try to have a more civil society. Thank you.
Bar Media Pinnacle Entertainment. Derema.